guys, it's CrafTea and I am literally so excited for this video because I'm going to be unboxing my brand new phone. So before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys what phone I got. I got the Pixel 3, which is part of the Pixel family, obviously. And if you're wondering why I got it, it's because I already have the Pixel. Like, I have the original Pixel, or that's the phone that I am using right now, but I'm going to transition to the Pixel 3. And I got the Pixel 3, honestly, just because my dad told me that it was a good phone, and I had already had the Pixel, so I was like, yeah, good phone, like the phone, might as well try out the newer one. This is not the newest Pixel, because, like, who am I? I don't know anything about trends and stuff, or new phones. I don't care at all. If it's a good phone, if it works, it'll work for me. I have no idea how much I paid for this phone. I got it secondhand. By the way, I have gotten literally every single one of my phones secondhand. I do not have one phone that I have bought brand new. And let me tell you, this was a freaking adventure to get. I'll just quickly tell you the story because I want to get into opening it and I'm sure you guys want to see it. So basically, I was looking on Kijiji, which is a like secondhand selling website in Canada. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else, but that's the main one in Canada. And I was looking for a black Pixel 3 with 128 gigabits of storage. So that is what I was looking for. I was not getting the 64 or any other color. Like, I wanted black. So I was looking, and the only ones with 128 gigabits were white, and I hate the white color so much. No offense if you like it, my family loves it. I just think it looks really cheap in my opinion, and I don't like it at all. So I wanted the black one, but there were no phones on Kijiji with the like specs that I wanted. I think I used the wrong word. Specs, I don't think that's the right word. But they didn't have the right things I was looking for. There were some black ones with 64, not what I'm looking for. So I thought I was just gonna have to wait until another ad popped up. My dad suggested to look on eBay, and I literally had no idea that eBay sold phones. So my dad found one, and I was literally running out the door one day when he was like, oh, I found one. And so I was like, sure, buy it. Like, I thought it had everything that I wanted. My dad ordered it, but he didn't tell me that it was white. So I was like, are you serious? Like, I guess it's coming, but I was super annoyed because I was like, I really didn't want the white one. He knew that, but I guess he didn't like fully know that. So I was just like, oh, seriously? And then a couple days later, he gets an email from eBay that says, your order has been canceled. So we're like, what the heck? Why did that happen? But also I was sort of like, yes, I get to order a different one that was black. So I found one like a couple days later, and I was like, this looks like everything that I want. I sent it to my dad. He was like, yep, that looks good. I'll order it. So he ordered it, and then we went on vacation. So it was like a week later, and he checked his email like after we got home, and guess what? It had been canceled again. So at this point I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, I have been waiting so long. This is literally adding more time onto when I'm gonna get it, because the phone said that they were gonna like arrive in October, which I was like, are you serious? It's ridiculous. I was super annoyed, and my dad was like, why are these both getting canceled? Like, 2 orders. He's never had anyone cancel on him before, and 2 people canceled. So it was really weird. And so we started looking on Kijiji again, because I was like, eBay, what the heck? I feel like it's a scam or something, because they're not letting me like order anything. Like, it's really annoying. And I found one on Kijiji. It was exactly what I was looking for in my price range, but it was white. And I was like, are you serious? Like, am I gonna actually do this? So I texted him. He said it was still available. We were about to pick it up, and I was like, you know what? No, I'm not doing it. I want the black one. If I'm gonna have this phone for a really long time, I want the black one. And so we kept looking on eBay, and we found one that was the proper things and stuff, so I ordered it. And then my dad looked at who was selling it, and it was the same guy who had canceled on us. So we were like, oh, are you serious? Like, he's gonna cancel again, so we might as well buy another phone. So we found another one. We ordered it. It was from a different seller, and we were like, okay. So we ordered 2, but we were expecting one to cancel, so we didn't really care. But then, as the tracking kept on going, we realized that there were 2 phones being shipped to us. So we were like, oh, great. And guess what showed up at my front doorstep? This box. And this was from the first seller. So I got this box. My parents already opened this, but I got this box, and then today I got this box. I can barely get 1 phone, and now I have 2 phones. So I thought that was pretty funny. We are going to sell the second phone because we don't need 2 phones. Absolutely not. I also wanted to mention that I bought this phone with my own money, and my parents did not pay a single cent for this phone. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that before I got into the video. So let's just unbox this baby. I'm really like trying not to flash my address. So this is the first phone. My parents already unboxed it. They already opened it up and charged it. So the box looks like this. It came with some tissue, and this box like literally feels so light. Like, I feel like there's nothing in here. It slips out, and then inside there's an envelope. This is like really weird because like they opened this at the border or something and then put it in another box. So inside the envelope, here's the phone. It comes with the phone, the Pixel 3, and it has some information on the back. I don't think any of this is like personal, so here's the back. I'll do some close-ups, I think. It does have a couple scratches, but that's what you expect when you get a new phone, or when you get a used phone. And then also in the package is a phone charger, so I thought that was kind of cool. I didn't know it was coming with that. But that is the first phone that was already unboxed by my parents. So I'm gonna put this away, and then we'll do the actual unboxing of the second one. Okay, now for the second one. This one has my address on the top, so I'm not gonna show you opening it, really. Sorry, there was some beeping and I was like, is our fire alarm going off? Our fire alarm, is it our fire alarm? It goes off all the time. I just had to take a break and come back because our smoke alarm was going off, so that's great. Don't worry, there was actually no fire. My dad just touched it and it went off because I love my smoke alarm. Let me see what's in here. This is what it looks like. This is the unboxing content. Oh my gosh, my hair is getting annoying. This is the unboxing content you asked for. The phone is in here. So it just comes in a cardboard box, and I'm assuming the phone is in here. Again, this is literally so light. Like, I didn't realize a phone was this light. It's crazy. Paper. And here is the phone. Slides out. This one has absolutely no scratches. Crazy, crazy. And it came with a card that says feedback and refund or return policy. Dear valid customer, we blah blah blah. This seller was the one who like returned or like refused my purchase, so I thought that was kind of funny that he actually sent it. So look at how cool this looks. I can't believe this is my phone. This is my new phone. So along with the phone, I got a few phone accessories. So I got a new case, which is literally, it's not the exact same, but it's the same brand as the case that I have on my like old phone now. I can't believe I'm saying that. But it is the OtterBox brand, Pixel 3 obviously. Symmetry series, leak protection I think. This I got from Amazon. Actually, all this stuff I got from Amazon. It was very expensive. OtterBox cases are ridiculously expensive. Ridiculously expensive, can I talk? But this is what it looks like. I actually love this case. It's super clean, super sleek. It definitely is way nicer than my old case, like the OtterBox, even though it's the same. This one looks so nice. Like, the printing is just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And it keeps my phone protected because I literally drop it all the time. So I got that case, and I got it in black, obviously. Then I got some pop sockets, and you guys saw these already in my video that I posted a while ago. I'll link it in the cards up there. But I actually redecorated these, and as you can see, I redecorated some more. I redecorated this one and this one that I didn't do in the video, and I am selling these on Etsy. So if you would like to buy them, I will link my Etsy shop down below and in the cards. I keep forgetting which one it is, but I will link it in the cards for you guys to check out. But I'm going to be using one of these for my phone, so I got those. And then lastly, I got this make your life full of power. Wow, I can't talk. Fast charging, data transfer, lifetime warranty. Oh my gosh, that was a disaster. But these are just some braided charging cables. And this is like a set of 5, I think. I'm not sure. I feel like I'm like not being able to talk anymore. The box seems kind of destroyed, but you know, it's good. Oh my gosh, look at them. So there's one, and this is the like white color, but it kind of looks silver. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, there's something else in here. Oh, it's just a card. So there were 5, and they came in all different lengths. Like, there's short ones, there's super long ones, and then like extra long ones. So these are really great. I'm gonna give a couple or 1 or 2 to my sister. I just wanted to get some new things for my phone because like my cords and stuff are getting really old, and obviously I need a new pop socket and a case. So that was my little mini new phone haul. I will be putting in close-ups of what my phone looks like and it's gonna be funny because I'm gonna be editing this video on my new phone. Like, how crazy is that gonna be? I'm so excited to test it out. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you guys liked seeing my new phone, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below because I'm trying to hit 400 subscribers, and I would really appreciate it if you could make that happen. Wow, why can't I talk today? Also, check out my Etsy shop because I'm selling pop sockets for your phone. So if you're interested, go check it out. It would really make me happy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!